are discussing about plant regeneration pathway. So first we discuss direct somatic embryogenesis. Direct somatic embryogenesis. So that is the explant. So taking this explant, the callus is formed. The callus is formed in this nutrient medium. The somatic embryo is formed. The somatic embryo is formed. So that is over the direct somatic embryogenesis. So next, so if you are taking this organogenesis, direct organogenesis, if you are taking this organs, shoot and root. So that is a rooting. Rooting organogenesis. If you are taking this root, this is root organogenesis. So it is leads to that. And this is some of this. Did you know that? Did you know that it is that plant tissue culture followed by this sterilization, culture media to prepare the culture media, pH conditions, all the things you have to. All the steps you have to learn. So next, root organogenesis leads to this platelets. So if you are taking this shoot organogenesis takes place. That is root, it is a direct organogenesis. Shoot is a indirect organogenesis. So rooting is the platelets. As the indirect somatic embryogenesis. That is a somatic embryo. It leads to the indirect embryogenesis. So that is the direct organogenesis. So if you are taking this root, direct organogenesis. If you are taking the shoot, indirect organogenesis. Sorry, understand? So next we learn about this somatic embryogenesis. Somatic embryogenesis is the formation of embryos from the callus tissue is directly, and these embryos are called embryoids, or from their in vitro cells directly from the pre-embryonic cells which differentiate into embryoids. When a single cell or group of cells under in vitro conditions developed into non-zygotic embryo, that is called the somatic embryogenesis. Thus, the somatic embryo develops from the somatic cell. That is called this vegetative cell. The somatic embryos is developed from this vegetative cell. That is somatic cells. So, if this pathway alternate the organogenesis, so the cells which leads to the formation of somatic embryos can be called this pre-embryonic determined, grown in the presence of the growth hormones like this 2,4-D. The embryos are formed again germinate into plantlets under the suitable culture conditions. The development of somatic embryos is easily induced in the suspension culture. It is easily introduced in the suspension culture. So it was first observed in the Stephen et al. It was first observed in the Stephen et al. It was first observed in the Stephen et al. So 1958 in the suspension culture of this carrot. The somatic embryogenesis first observed in this carrot. So the platelets grow into the culture vessels at first, transfer to the sterilized pods and then to feed. So in the process of transformation that undergo the process is called cardoning. When put under the low light and high humidity conditions, this enables them to develop the tolerance to withstand the environmental hazards prevailing in the outside world. Next, applications. Somatic embryogenesis provides a potential plantlets which after the gardening period can be established into plants. So somatic embryogenesis can be